Hello community, Frankie C here. I have been asked to show you how I put on the Snatch Me waist bandage wrap. So here we go. Like I talked about in the last video, you're going to start here at the sticky portion. Start here at the sticky portion. What I do is I treat it as a belt and I bring it all the way around to that first Velcro. Now, when I get to that first Velcro, I bring it as far as I can because in actuality, my tightness is going to begin there, okay? The tension. So I start wrapping and I continue to wrap and I take care of those areas that I want to concentrate on. Also, I want you to see this. My belt is wrinkled and worn because I wear it. I wear it because it works. It definitely works. So I'm going to continue with wrapping. Bring it on around. You got to kick and step, kick and step, kick and step, and that's okay too. But I'm going tighter and tighter as I come around. Tighter and tighter as I bring it around. You see? Who said plus size can't wear that Snatch Me waistband wrap? Yes, we can. Now, depending on what areas I want to wrap, my Velcro may end up in different places. Sometimes it's in the front, sometimes it's in the back. Today I want to be on the side, and that's fine with me. I attach it. The further you attach it, the tighter it's going to be. Okay? Check us out. You are shapewearmorestore.com. Shapewear that's fabulously fitting.